In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your own affiliate program with Systeme.io. We'll walk through everything you need to get your affiliate program configured, connected to your sales funnels, and ready to share with potential partners. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find each setting and what it does. First, log into your Systeme.io account. At the top of the dashboard, look for the menu labeled Sales. Hover over it, and from the drop-down, click on My Affiliate Program. This is the main area where you'll define how your affiliate program works. Once you're inside your affiliate program, go to the top right corner and click on Affiliate Program Settings. Here you'll see several key options. Start by setting your default commission as a percentage. This is the standard commission your affiliates will earn per sale, unless you override it at the funnel level. Next, you can set your second-tier affiliate commissions, also as a percentage. This is useful if you want to reward affiliates not only for the sales they make directly, but also for affiliates they refer to your program who then make sales themselves. Then, choose your minimum payout amount. This is the threshold your affiliates must reach before you send them a payout, which helps you avoid sending very small payments. You'll also see the default payout delay. This is the time between when a sale is made and when the commission becomes payable, which is especially helpful if you offer refunds or trial periods. Set your vendor name, which is how you or your business will appear inside the affiliate area. You'll also see a checkbox that lets you decide whether affiliates can view the email addresses of the leads they've referred. Turn this on only if you're comfortable sharing that information. When you're done, click Save at the top right to apply all your changes. Now, let's connect this to your sales funnels. At the top, look for Sites, hover over it, and select Sales Funnels. Choose an existing funnel, or if you don't have one yet, click Create in the top right corner to set up a new funnel. Inside your chosen sales funnel, go to the left sidebar and select the order form step. On the right-hand side, look for the Affiliate Commissions section. Make sure this is enabled. Then set the specific affiliate commission percentage and the commission payout delay for this funnel. These settings are auto-saved, so you don't need to click any additional buttons. Finally, let's find your affiliate ID. At the top, hover over Dashboard and select Affiliate Dashboard from the drop-down. On the right sidebar of this affiliate dashboard, you'll see your affiliate ID. Copy that ID and append it to the URL of any page you've created in Systeme.io. That combined link becomes your affiliate link. You can now share this full link with potential affiliates or post it across your platforms so people can sign up and start promoting your offers.